Here's how you can make 5 to 10K per month as a complete beginner. All you need is your phone and your laptop. Honestly, don't worry if there's too many people doing this because 90% of people probably already scrolled past this video. It's a $17 billion industry and there's so much demand for it. I'm going to walk you through this process. Make sure you save and like this video for later. The whole process that I'm talking about is called affiliate marketing. Here's how you can get all set up. The first thing you need to do is come over to Digistore24 and sign up for free. Once you're all set up, you want to come over to Marketplace. Then want to pick a niche. I'm going to choose health and fitness. Then want to scroll down and have a look at all their affiliate offers. Once you find a product that you like with high popularity and good paying commission, you want to choose that product. Once you've chosen your product, you want to click promote now and get your own custom affiliate link. Want to come over to Pinterest.com, create a new pin with the product that you're promoting and a link with your affiliate link. Also want to create a TikTok account and Instagram account talking about this product and how much it has helped you. So when someone purchases through your link, you'll receive a commission. In this case, you'll make $30 commission on that product we just looked up. My personal favorite type of affiliate marketing is called high ticket affiliate marketing. This is where you promote expensive products and you receive a higher paid commission. I'm an affiliate for a company that pays $1,000 commission for every product that I sell. This is how you fast track your way to wealth. If you would love to learn more about this business model, check out my profile for a free guide and step-by-step training.